SFARG recommends that any diagnosis and maintenance is carried out by a fully trained vehicle technician. The timing belt provides precise synchronization for the rotary motion of the crankshaft, camshaft, and any other accessory drives of the internal combustion engine. This in turn controls the opening and closing of the intake and exhaust valves and the precise fueling of the engine, which is essential for accurate timing, efficiency, and durability. This key engine component requires replacing at required service intervals to prevent failure and consequential engine damage. Choosing the right replacement parts is an essential choice for any repair. A SFARG timing belt kit includes a belt made from a combination of materials, including abrasive resistant fabric, high-strength glass fibre cords, and resistant elastomers, which mesh positively with each respective sprocket. Tensioner and idlers guide the timing belt between the sprockets for perfect belt tension during operation, and a mechanical water pump if required, as this is an integral part of the timing belt system. The vehicle featured was due for a routine replacement of the timing belt and all additional parts of the timing belt system. It is essential that the vehicle manufacturer's repair procedures are followed. The engine should be at an ambient temperature, and any special tools should be acquired before replacing the timing belt. Firstly, the vehicle was raised and the right front wheel was removed, followed by the wheel arch liner and any other additional covers to gain access to the other parts that required removal. The coolant was drained, followed by the removal of the fuel filter, windscreen washer reservoir filler, and coolant expansion tank. The auxiliary belt tensioner was locked into position and the belt was removed and inspected. The crankshaft pulley was removed, followed by the timing belt covers and the auxiliary belt tensioner. The engine was rotated clockwise until the timing tools could be inserted into their respective positions. This is vital in order to ensure the correct alignment of the crank and camshaft before the timing belt is removed. Next, the bolts retaining the camshaft sprockets within the slotted holes were undone. The engine was supported and the engine mounting was removed, as it restricts access to the removal of the timing belt. The timing belt tensioner was loosened and the timing belt was removed, allowing the tensioner, idlers, and water pump to be removed and inspected for any underlying faults, which would require to be rectified before fitting the new timing belt kit. Before fitting the new components, all mating surfaces were checked to make sure they were clean. The new water pump was fitted, along with idler pulleys, tensioner, and all fixings were tightened according to the manufacturer's instructions. Ensure the new timing belt is fitted with no unnecessary force in a clockwise direction, starting with the crankshaft, and then set the tensioner, ensuring it is set correctly before tightening the retaining nut, and then tighten the camshaft bolts. Remove timing tools, rotate the engine slowly twice, and reinsert timing tools to check that the belt was aligned before reassembly. Then the engine mount was refitted, followed by the timing belt covers, fuel filter and all hoses, along with a crankshaft pulley and a new auxiliary belt and tensioner. The wheel arch liner and any other covers were refitted, followed by the road wheel. The coolant system was filled with fresh coolant. Once this had been done, the cooling system and the fuel system were bled to expel any excess air in the system. The engine was started and checked for any fluid leaks, and a service reminder sticker was attached in the engine bay before the vehicle was road tested. The complete SFARG timing belt kit, once fitted, gives significant friction improving properties, strength, and improved noise, vibration and harshness qualities and efficiency features for a confident repair and a high level of customer satisfaction. This video is for general information purposes only. Please consult the manufacturer's handbook before carrying out any repairs to your vehicle. SFARG will not be held liable in the event of any direct, incidental, special or consequential damages suffered in the course of using the information in this video.